guys, welcome back to Bling. This is me Nayan and hope you guys are doing amazing. As from the title you can guess, this is a Rishikesh vlog and right now it's 9 a.m. and it's around 9 degrees over here. It's so cold, but we have decided to do a lot of adventure sports. So Rishikesh is a place which has something for everyone. I think it's a holy pilgrimage for many Hindus and it has a lot of adventure sports. So many things for everyone, and this is my hotel where I'm staying, and right now we are going for a river rafting. So see all the fun that we had in this video, and if you're new, do not forget to subscribe to the channel as a lot of travel vlogs and many more things are coming up on the channel. So please hit the subscribe button. No, what is that? Jumka laka something.
चलो अभी भी हाँ डन।
अरे भाई लोग और कितना किलोमीटर? हम 3 लीटर, अब हम जाएंगे 2 किलोमीटर।
कैसा लग रहा है टीम? बढ़िया, बहुत ही बढ़िया था।
जैकेट को खोलो, रोल इसमें दो, ठीक है? 1 2 3 एंड गो।
वेरी गुड।
अरे वाह, इसमें रेस्क्यू के लिए कितने लोग हैं?
After finishing our rafting and cliff diving, we reached our new stay. It was from GoStops and it was a very beautiful, colorful place to stay in. We booked a 10-bed dorm for us as we were a group of 10. And it was such a beautiful, colorful place actually. The walls were fun, the play area, the common area, everything looked so colorful and beautiful. So guys, as I said, this is our day 1 in Rishikesh and I'm staying in this hostel. It's from GoStops. Look how colorful it is, and we just finished our lunch and we are heading towards Ganga Aarti, and it's in Triveni Ghat I think, and our cab is waiting downstairs. So we'll just go. See you there. So guys, we finally reached the Triveni Ghat and we are here to see the Ganga Aarti, and it's around 6 o'clock in the evening. So guys, this is day 2 in Rishikesh and it's around 7:30 a.m. in the morning, and we have decided that we'll go to Neelkant temple, and after that we will split it to 2 teams. Half will do bungee. I'm not doing bungee, but there will be some great shots coming right after this. But I'll be going and wandering around the streets of Rishikesh and finding some good pieces in Rishikesh's market, and also planning to go to some other temples. So let's see what's in store for me today. So it was only 1.2 kilometers from our stay to Lakshman Jhula. So we decided to walk, and right now we are in the gullies of Rishikesh. Like very narrow lanes are there, and we're just walking through it and aiming for Lakshman Jhula. So finally we are here at Lakshman Jhula, and I'm feeling so lucky right now that I can vlog from this very bridge where I've come so many times since my childhood. But this time is so special because I can share it with you guys, and it's looking so serene, it's looking so awesome. So right now we are in the streets of Rishikesh and shopping for jewelry and so many other stuff for our friends and family. And yeah, I'm always adjusting my hat what to do. Okay guys, so that was end of our Rishikesh journey, and it's evening now and we are heading towards our next destination, and I'm just hoping our next destination is as good as this one. So, and what is it that you will see in the next vlog. So keep watching, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to it and hit the notification bell for more updates from Blush and Bling. So till then, see you.